In this video, I'll show you how to create a Binance account step by step. By the way, later in this video, I'll show you the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss it, so make sure to watch until the end. In order to create a Binance account, go to the Binance website and click on the Sign Up option. Enter your email address and proceed with the registration process. After entering your email, you will receive a verification code in your email inbox. Open the email sent by Binance, copy the activation code, and paste it into the required field on the registration page to confirm your email address. Next, you will need to create a secure password for your account. After creating the password, you will see an option asking whether you have an inviter. This option is related to a referral code. If you have a referral code, select Yes and enter the code in the provided field. If you do not have one, you can simply select No and continue with the process. Once that step is completed, you will need to select your country of residence. After choosing your residence country, the platform will ask for the country that issued your identification documents. Select the appropriate country that matches the document you plan to use for verification. The next step is document verification. You will be asked to choose the type of identification document you want to use. This can be your national ID card, passport, or driver's license. Select the document that best fits your situation and continue to the next step. After choosing the document type, you will need to complete the document verification process. You can either upload the document directly from your device or scan a QR code to continue the verification on your phone. The easiest and most convenient method is usually verifying with your phone. To do this, scan the QR code using your phone's camera. This will open the verification process on your mobile device. Once the process opens on your phone, you will be asked to capture images of your document. First, take a clear photo of the front side of the document. Make sure all the details are visible and the image is well lit. After that, you will need to take a photo of the back side of the document if required. Ensure that the entire document is clearly visible and easy to read. After submitting the document images, the next step is the liveliness check. This step is used to confirm that you are the person who owns the document. You will need to show your face and record a short video. Click Continue and follow the instructions displayed on the screen. During this process, you may be asked to perform simple actions such as blinking your eyes or opening your mouth so the system can verify that you are a real person. Once the liveliness check is completed, the next step is verifying your contact information. Follow the instructions to confirm the required details and continue to the next step. After everything has been submitted, your application will be sent for review. When the review process is completed, Binance will send you an email notification confirming the result of your verification. The review may take some time, and in many cases it can be completed within about an hour. Once your account is approved, you will be able to fully access and use the features available on the Binance platform. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out RockWallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before and you're not tech savvy at all, RockWallet will walk you through it step by step. You can install the app for free using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing RockWallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using RockWallet.